My name's Ben Notgrass. I've been in the RV industry for 20 years. April of 2020, I decided to start a company called AmericaGoRV. My #1 mission is to provide a service that no one can touch. Are you broke down on the side of the highway? You need mobile service to work. Call us at 830-463-4300. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We aim to please.
What are we doing here today? We're buying an RV.
Okay.
My name is Catherine Solis, and I'm buying my first RV. I've known Ben maybe a year, and I'm also in real estate. And so we've looked at a few deals together, and I knew he was in the RV business, and I trusted Ben. I decided to see what I could do working with Ben.
We provide to our customers on all consignments or used units, we provide an extended service contract that they can use nationwide. Anytime they're in a bind or they break down, they can call this number and get a technician out there and get their problem solved where they're not inconvenienced.